Hello all, welcome to this lecture where we are going to talk about typical machine learning model building cycle. Firstly, machine learning involves using algorithms to analyze large amount of past data and find patterns. It starts with math-based algorithm that takes data as input and produces an output. To train the algorithm, we feed it with known data, which includes features. What are features? You can think of it as columns in a table or pixels in an image. And we keep training the algorithm with more known data so that it can learn the relationship between the features, which are input, and the expected results, which is the output. The algorithm's internal settings are adjusted repeatedly until it reliably produces the expected output. Once trained, the model can make accurate predictions with new data it hasn't seen before. This process is called inference. We'll learn more about inference in future lectures, but this is how an ML model is created and then used in production to make accurate predictions. Let's take an example. To create an ML model, we start with an algorithm that describes how the output is related to the input. For example, in linear regression, we try to fit a line that best matches the input data. In this example, let's say we are using the temperature and ice cream sales on different days as our training data. The simple equation would be y is equal to mx plus b. In this case, sales equal to m into temperature plus b. It defines a straight line where sales is the amount of ice cream sold, temperature is the independent variable, and m is the slope of the line, and b is the intercept. During training, the algorithm adjusts m and b to find the line that fits the data best by minimizing errors. Error is the difference between the actual sales and the predicted sales on the line. Once training is complete, the model can use the temperature to predict ice cream sales. So that's it in this lecture. I hope you like it and you are able to understand how a typical machine learning model is built. See you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.